you can spend an arm and a leg on saw blades. This is a good, functional, multi-purpose saw blade. I like the 40 tooth, and I don't see how you can go wrong with them. I've used a lot of different blades, and I just kept coming back to this. And I haven't tried any new blades other than Diablos in probably 6 months. So it's good enough for me. It's got a non-stick coating on it, and it's got these little etched in areas that provide some type of relief. Exactly, I don't know the science behind it, but I like the way it cuts, and I think you will too.